Hello guys, so today we're going to do a small video because we've been having a lot of people asking about where do I get the accessories that I install on my Can-Am. So what I've done is I decided to, since most of the stuff that I actually install in there is from Amazon, what I did is I actually created a page that it's public so everyone can come here and select the different items that I've bought and installed on Amazon. So one of the advantages here is that on this different wish lists, or well, it's not really wish list, it's more the items that I already bought and the ones that I recommend. You will be able to have the exact item that I install on my Can-Am. So the advantage here is not only you will have the right product, but on top of it, you also get on this list basically the best price on it. So as here, what I've done is I've done multiple lists. So I've done one for the Maverick X3, which is the one that I have, but I also looked for the equivalent, or when I had that item that was able to be used in both. I also put it on the Razor list as well. So let's take a quick look. So for example, here, if I click on the Maverick, you will see it will start loading and it will have every item that I bought for my Can-Am. So from the mounts that I have for my light bars, the little compressor that I have, the bags that I have, the tool that I use for the greasing the bearings as well. Here, this is what I use to clean the plastics. Once I clean the different the Can-Am and I wash it, I use some product here to clean the plastics. Obviously the competition air filter. This is the mount that I have from Maverick for the Link-Q adapter, so I also put them there. This is actually something that I want that I haven't bought yet. The cooler, so here you have the white one, but you also have the black one here. Some of the other items is the tires that I bought for the sand dunes. Here we have the spots that I bought for the Can-Am. These are the tires that I'm actually gonna buy for the sand tires, and I also put the other ones which were really close, but at the end I went for the HD because they're actually a little bit cheaper. So these are probably the ones that I'm gonna get. I haven't bought it yet. I'm still looking to get some some money around, so I will buy them once I have some money. Here, this is a tool for changing the belt. I haven't talked about that yet, but this is a magnificent tool that makes everything really fast, and I will make a video in the future, but I put it on my list. Battery tender and charger for my Can-Am. It's also right here. Some of the harnesses that I bought, the Autobox that you all know if you've seen one of my videos. Memories, let me go back. Memories on that I use for the Autobox, but also as well for the new side cameras that I have. The particle separator, the bags, some whips, the whips that I already have right now, and the ones that I'm actually going to buy as well. I'm going to change those ones, but these ones were really, really good. Adapters, lower doors, the bracket. So these bracket, I've had a lot of people that have been asking for this bracket that comes in the shock mount for the light bar that I have in the front. So here it is. Here's the link. $36. As you can see, it's a steel. It's really good. Piggy banks that I bought as well, right here. The Evolution Power Sport belt that I have. So this is a little bit stronger than your AOM, and you can see it's a little bit cheaper. So really recommend this one. Here's the link as well. The half windshield, the spacers, the kit to the oil change. So these we're going to be using this really soon. I'm going to do the oil change soon, so I put them there. Some of the actual, I'm going to be putting way more stuff in here, but you have an idea of what are the products that I have for my Can-Am as well. Oh, sorry, I will put the link as well for you guys so you can see it. But I did the same for the Razor side. On the Razor side, I got the equivalent for Razor, so the same items. So this is the Razor, for example, tool to grease the bearings. I also put some accessories that I would love to have if I had a Razor. The grill, obviously, here for the fires as well. Put the same thing. The racks, the coolers, the half windows, the rock blocks, the tires and sand paddles, and the whips as well, some of the bags. So I put a couple of those items right here. So I have it there as well. So if you want to take a look at, what I recommend, what I actually use for this, I created those two lists. I also added two other lists, which is the things that I bring to camping. So here in camping, you will see everything that I bought. So from the solar panel, mosquitoes things, vents, the grills, the cooler, the tents, all that I put this into the page. So I will put the link on the YouTube comments so you guys can actually go there and make sure that you buy the right stuff, the good stuff that I already installed. So everything that you see me installing on my YouTube channel, I put that on the links in here so you can go take a look at it, buy it, and do the same install with me as well. So here, guys, I will put that comment on the link, and then that way you can find all those products. I will be adding more and more products as well. And then you can basically get there and then buy those specific products. So hopefully you like this video. What I'm going to do next is I have another video because I'm going to prepare a ride and a big surprise. But that I will do and post that video probably tomorrow. Here it is, guys. Check on the comments. I have the links for all the items that you could buy that I've installed on the Can-Am. So that way if you have a question, you know where to find it. And every time that I post a new video on accessories, I will be adding those accessories right here. All right. So click the subscribe link. Make sure that you click on the little bell so you don't miss any future video. And then see you next time, guys.